Hello everyone, today we are talking about this product. These are incredibly well made floor mats we are using for our kindergarten, one of the gym class, and it has been almost 6 years if I don't remember wrong. So they are doing incredibly well, and so many kids run on these things and it just gets dirty, and we do power washing and they just become like almost new. So it holds really well, very nice material. As you can see, it just fits together all like sections. You can see we have a lot of them, you can see, and they work really well, provide so much support for the small ones. And here you can see very thick material, and they are providing really good amount of fun for the kids as well. And this can be used in any settings. If you need any like supporting material, as you can see, we have a lot of them and we are really liking it. So I hope you guys will enjoy and it will solve your problem as well. Thank you for watching.